Hey guys, this is Kathy with Fantastic Attractions. Just wanted to do a room tour. It's been a while since we stayed at the Hard Rock. They've remodeled the room since the last time we have stayed here, so we just wanted to come and do another tour, refresh. So here we have a safe, and this is a standard room. Just have a little bit of a closet area here. And then we swing around, and the bathrooms are totally remodeled from before. A lot of space up under. And I wonder if this is an ADA room, because it looks like you have a lot of space under there to slide up under. And here are the bathrooms. These are totally remodeled, and they are quite nice. Very modern looking shower here. Very pretty. Still have the drumsticks on the wall. And you have this little nook here with your coffee maker. It does take the little pods. Coffee. You've got a fridge here. Swing back around, and here is your beds. Still have the mirror with all the, in case you didn't know, they have a mirror and it has all the heights of a lot of stars. You can compare yours to theirs. The headboard now is quite different. And you got your TV. That's changed. Chairs are very pretty. And I love these chairs here. That's really nice. Looks like you do have some charging here. You've got some areas back here. So yeah, I really like this a lot better. The decor. All right, guys, that finishes it up for now. We'll see you on the next one.